Hi everyone, and welcome to my very first Skin Saver Sunday. Most of you know I'm Andrea Lefevre, and I am a consultant with Mary Kay. And I am doing a series this January in honor of my theme for the year, which is 2020 Vision for Your Skin. Every Sunday I will be doing a Skin Saver video where I take a common problem that most of us women face with our skin and tell you why it happens and solutions. So let's just dive right in. This Sunday we are going to be talking about tired eyes. And I picked this one because I think it is a topic that is a concern for most women. So what are the signs of aging that concern most of us? Fine lines and crow's feet, drooping eyelids, or what some people also call crepiness, puffy eyes, and dark circles. So what are some of the causes of the appearance of aging around our eyes? Dehydration, lack of sleep, stress, dry skin, sun damage, heredity, and the natural aging process. What can we do about that? Well, some obvious things are get more sleep. Make sure you're getting enough rest at night. If you're not getting enough sleep, I can promise you your eyes are showing that, whether you realize it or not. Drink plenty of fluids. You hear this all the time. Dehydration affects every part of our body, and your skin is one of those things that's affected by dehydration. Your skin will look tired, sallow, dry. So that's something that is easy for you to do, which is drink plenty of fluids. Stress, this is a harder thing to address in today's world just because we are all so busy and we have so many things to be concerned about. But try to take time during the day to relax. Take a few moments for yourself to kind of re-energize and refresh. Heredity and the natural signs of aging are two things that are also more difficult to combat, but there are many products that can help us do that. And there's many things you can do to reduce the visible signs of those causes. Let's start with fine lines and crow's feet because that's what most of us are concerned about. Fine lines and crow's feet are caused normally by the breakdown of collagen and elastin in your skin. Collagen and elastin are what provide structure to your skin. So when those fibers break down, that's what causes sagging. The breakdown of collagen can be caused by sun damage. It can be caused by the natural facial expressions when we're smiling or if we're stressed and we're squinting those eyes like that. Heredity, and of course just natural aging. Our skin breaks down, the collagen and elastin in our skin breaks down naturally as we age as well. But there are certain products you can use to help combat that and slow it down and even reverse some of those signs of aging. So I'm going to tell you two today that I use personally that I have found very helpful for me. They're some of our best products. The first one is our Volu-firm eye cream. Now, no matter what system you use, you want to have an eye cream in your beauty regimen. Eye cream is specifically designed for the skin around your eyes, which is different than the rest of the skin on your face. It's a very delicate skin. So the moisturizer you're using on your face may not be suitable for around your eyes. It could be too heavy. And it may not provide the moisture that your eye skin needs. So definitely have an eye cream that you use daily. Our Volu-firm Eye Renewal Cream is part of our Volu-firm line. That's what I call our Heavy Hitter Pro line. It's what I use, and it is for women who are experiencing advanced signs of aging. We have other eye creams as well, but this is the one I'm going to talk about today. First of all, this is suitable for people who wear contact lenses and people with sensitive eyes, and it usually lasts for about 2.5 months. It immediately doubles the hydration in the skin around the eyes. That's immediate, one of its immediate benefits. It also reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and crepiness, which is the sagging of that skin around the eyes. It just starts to sag and look old, let's be honest. And I'm already starting to experience that in my early 50s. So I use this around the eyes here, and I also use it right under the brow bone. I do not put it on the lid. I put it here under the brow bone to help with this skin right here as well. It has a metal tip you'll see here where it's actually cold to the touch or cool to the touch. So when you put on your eye cream, you can actually rub it in gently with this tip. And because of the coolness, it helps stimulate the circulation around your eye, which is going to help it appear brighter and more youthful. Let's talk about the next product, which is very popular, and that's our Deep Wrinkle Filler. Our Deep Wrinkle Filler, they did an 8-week clinical study and found that this cream was shown to have a significant impact on the crow's feet at the eyes, smile lines, and forehead creases. So this is something you can use on any of the fine lines and wrinkles that concern you, not just around the eyes. This product contains retinol, which most of you know is vitamin A, and that is what is needed to increase the collagen production in your skin, which helps with the structure, which reduces the appearance of fine lines and crow's feet. It also contains hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is very important for skin hydration, and so you want something like this because dryness also leads to fine lines and wrinkles. So this is an amazing product, also part of our Volu-firm line. All right, so let's talk about the next problem, which is puffy eyes and dark circles. Puffy eyes are caused by fluid buildup and retention underneath this thin layer of skin around the eyes. And that can be caused by, like I said, fluid retention. It can also be caused by dehydration, which seems to be a little bit of a contradiction, but dehydration can actually lead to puffy eyes. Lack of sleep, allergies, and of course, natural aging. The dark circles often accompany puffy eyes, and the reason for that is because when your eyes are puffy and they're retaining fluid, that can cause the blood to pool in some of these superficial vessels around the eyes, which leads to those dark circles looking even darker. The skin around our eyes, again, is very thin, so those vessels, those blood vessels around the eyes are much more visible than they are, let's say, on my cheeks, which leads to those dark circles, okay? So what can we do to combat that? I'm going to show you 2 products that I use that I love both of them. The first is our Indulge Soothing Eye Gel. This is perfect for puffy eyes. I keep it in the refrigerator. It contains botanicals that actually calm and soothe the skin around the eyes. It increases the hydration of your skin around your eye by 130%, which is amazing. Another product that this is brand new to our company. We've only had it a couple of months. I love them. These are our Hydrogel Eye Patches. If you're a customer of mine, you may have already received a sample of these. But if you haven't and you'd like a sample of these Hydrogel Eye Patches, just send me put a comment down below and I'll get you those out in the mail. So these Hydrogel Eye Patches, they come 30 to a container, 30 eye patches. The recommended use is 2 times per week. So this container is going to last you about 15 weeks. They're kind of slimy, but what they do is they provide an immediate shot of hydration. These definitely help with my puffy eyes in the morning. I put these on in the morning. You're supposed to leave them on for 20 minutes. So I know it's hard to get that kind of time for ourselves in our busy schedules, but usually I'll put these on before I get in the shower when I'm kind of just doing morning things. I'm either feeding the dogs or whatever, and I'll put these on. They actually stay on pretty well too. So they instantly hydrate the skin underneath the eyes, which is going to help with those puffy eyes and those dark circles. And of course, they cool and soothe the eyes too, because even though I don't keep these in the fridge, they're still very cool when you put them on, which is going to increase your circulation. So if you have any questions about these products or anything I've talked about in the video, please leave me comments down below. I love it when you guys like and heart my videos. It just shows me that it's a topic that's important to you and that you're enjoying and that you want to see more of. I love to answer questions. Give me your feedback as well in the comments. Let me know if this is something that you found valuable. And of course, the ultimate compliment to me is always when you share my videos, so that we can build up our tribe of women on the BR Beauty page. And next Sunday, I will be back again with a new topic, which is going to be dry, chapped lips and dry skin, which plagues a lot of women. So that is January the 12th. I'm really excited to bring that to you. And again, thank you so much for joining me and participating in my video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a great night.